G'day all, I know exactly what this is going to be. This is going to be my OKMO Lister D engine that I ordered from EngineDiyShop about 5 days ago. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Very excited about this. I've seen a few other blokes have already received what they've bought, and it's a beautiful looking engine. So it looks like this is going to be a box within a box. We'll take the outside mailing plastic off, and we'll take the bubble wrap off. Okay, that's the outer layer done. And we'll cut the packing tape. Oh, another one of these really nice, really beautiful printed boxes. Alright. Wow, look at that. Here we go. Move this cardboard box out of the way. And there we have the OKMO. So they're calling it the LDB1. OKMO Retrol. Look at that. Okay. I don't think anyone wants to look at the box anymore. I think everyone wants to look at the engine. So we'll move our way into it. There's the owner's manual. What have we got there? 14 pages of that to read through. The packaging on these, I always say this, the packaging on these engines coming out from China is absolutely fantastic. Okay, got the first glimpse. Look at that. Alright. Go nice and slow. Another box out of the way. This little galvanized bucket, isn't that just awesome? Put that there. And we've got a funnel. So with the bucket there and the funnel there. What's this? Looks like a fuel filler. That's something new. Oh, oil dropper. That's a nice, neat little thing for Gin to add. Alright, let's get this out. There's the starter. And there's the added decals, I should say, not decals, decals. Wow, look at that. Okay, so out of the box, let's go into the steam room and have a much better look at this. Alright, in the steam room now, I have jumped forward a little bit. I've put the transfers on. The first one was this yellow arrow, and I've put the Lister and 100 years of the Lister D type. I've put the water level transfer on, and I've taken the petrol tank off, and with a flat diamond file, I've taken the green powder coating off, so you can see the brass highlighted OKMO trademark. The history of the Lister D engine is very interesting to read. They were made in the UK. They were exported all over the world to virtually every corner of the world. There was around about 250,000 of these made, and they would have been a welcome addition to many farms and industries. Now, Gin has done an absolutely amazing job of miniaturizing the full-size Lister D into this superb little miniature. It's absolutely amazing to look at. It's a vertical single cylinder. It's 4-stroke. The displacement is 3.6 cc. The bore is 16 mil. The stroke is 18 millimeters. The speed of these little engines is around 500 to 3000 RPM. There's 3 methods of starting this engine. One way is through here. Connected this to a drill that will turn the flywheel. Second method is into here with this in a drill, and that will turn the flywheel, and then you can start it by flicking that. Such a beautiful engine. I'll show you some close-up stills of it. Well, as I said before, Jin has done an absolutely magnificent job in miniaturizing one of these historic Lister D engines to this size. It's just a beautiful engine to behold. In the next video, I'll prep it and we'll get it going, and we'll give it its first run. As always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.